F-15 Silent Eagle, the powerhouse fighter jet the Air Force said no to. The plan was to phase out the F-15 and replace the massive fourth-generation fighter with the fifth-generation F-22. Yet, the F-15 remains a foundation of the USAF's force structure, despite the successful introduction of the F-22. Consistently upgraded with new avionics, the F-15 has remained relevant and designed strictly as an air superiority fighter. Without a pound for ground, the airframe has successfully been adapted into a ground strike variant, the F-15E Strike Eagle, which was introduced in 1986.